Hello children, in this video we are going to recall the chapter 6 commanding the robo. Already we have seen in previous videos, so here we are going to revise. Right? What are the topics? Basic instructions, move, paint, grab and repeat command. Yes, we are going to see these topics. Yes, the basic instructions. There are 4 different types of instructions that can be given to a robot. There are move, this is for move, then see, paint, grab. Robo mind is case sensitive. Let's see the move commands. Moving can be done with the commands. This is for forward. So we should give the command forward, open the bracket, n, close the bracket. It move n steps forward. This is for backward. Backward, open the bracket, n, then close the bracket. This is for to move n steps backward. This is for left. Left, turn left over 90 degree. Then turn right over 90 degree. So there are 4 move commands. Then other move commands are north, it turns north and move n steps forward. So south, it turns south and move n steps forward. East, it turns east and move n steps forward. West, turn west and move n steps forward. So these are also called commands done with different directions. Okay? Yes. Then we are going to the paint. Painting can be done in black or white colors. Only available for black and white. So a brush attached to the robot will perform the painting action on the ground. Yes, this is for the white. That means paint white. Put the brush with white paint in the RoboMind screen. This is black. So paint black, open and close bracket you should put. Put the brush with black paint. So we need stop painting means we should click this one. Stop painting. Stop the painting. Then grab. Grab means it picks up and puts down the beacon in front of the robot. This is for pick up. Then this is for put down. Pick up means it gets the beacon in front of the robot. Then this is for put down. Put the beacon in front of the robot. Then E-tab. It vanished the beacon. We cannot see the beacon after E-tab the command. Right? Yes. Here we can see the robo remote control in RoboMind screen. So the default .map is opened by default when you launch RoboMind. You can also use remote control to operate the robos, or we can give the commands also in the RoboMind screen. Click Run menu. Then we can see the remote control option. These are the move commands. These are paint commands. These are grab commands. Right? The next one, repeat command. What is the meaning of repeat command? It is used to repeat a set of instructions for n number of times and used as an indefinite loop. Indefinite loop. That means we can give the commands into the RoboMind screen, but we can give the repeat. How many times we can give means it will repeat the commands. general syntax for this repeat command. Repeat, open the bracket, n. That means n number of times. Then after that, what we have to repeat? Command, we have to give this instruction here. For example, repeat, open the bracket 4. Then open the bracket, forward, open the bracket 2, then right. That means at last we should close the bracket. That means that robo repeat 4 times forward and turn right. Okay? Right. Yes. Let's go to the review. Can you answer the following questions? Dash command picks up and put down the beacon in front of the robot? Yes, grab. Dash command is used as an indefinite loop. Repeat. Yes, just now we have seen. In dash menu, open map option is located. File menu. Right. See true or false? Click. Default.map is opened by default when you launch RoboMind. Yes, it's right. True. The robot cannot move backward. No, it can move. So it's false. Right. The next one, identify the command. What is this? The robot is pick up the beacon. So pick up. The answer is pick up. Then here put down. So this is for this put down. Right. Good children. Do the practice. Thank you.